Good morning and happy Friday. I have never been more excited that today is Friday. I got up this morning, I got my workout in from 6 to 7, got home, fed the dog, took a shower, obviously, and now I'm making a cup of coffee so I can go and get ready. The coffee that I'm drinking this morning is this donut shop coffee, and all I am using to sweeten it are 2 packets of stevia. So I'm not doing creamer this morning at all, just stevia. I've been doing this lately and it's actually not too bad. So that is what I'm doing. If I was using Sweet and Low, I would only use 1 packet because it's a little bit stronger than the stevia. So that is what I'm doing. The mug is so big, it looks like there's like no coffee in there, but that is the serving size that I drink every single morning. It is the middle size here on my Keurig. Also, don't mind my nails, they're disgusting. I bit all of my acrylics off and bit my actual like natural nails because I just can't help it. I try, I just can't help it. I have to bite my nails. So I have an appointment today after work to go get them done. I don't even think I mentioned that this video is a what I eat in a day. So that is what this is. I'm going to bring you guys with me everywhere I go. Everything that slips right on past these lips, you guys will see. First being coffee. Oh wow. That was stupid. All right, let's go get ready. So if you guys watched my last What I Eat in a Day, you already know that I have my cup of coffee in the morning, whether it's while I'm getting ready or on my way out the door. And then once I get to work, I have my protein shake, which are just the like single Premier protein shakes from Costco. I drink the chocolate one. It's so good and it keeps me full up until like 10:30ish when I will usually eat a snack. So I will show you me drinking the protein shake once I get to work, and then snack, and then lunch at work, and then any other snacks or meals that I have throughout the day. The lunch I'm having today, I did film it last night. I cooked it and I had half of it last night for dinner, and then the other half is gonna be for today for lunch. So I don't know if that's gonna be a separate video, like my meal, like dinner meal plan ideas, or if I'm just gonna include those clips in this video, but you guys will find out, I guess. I don't even know the answer to it yet, so we shall see. But right now, like I said, I'm just gonna get ready and I will see you guys at work when I am drinking my protein shake. So like I said, I decided to have a Premier protein shake for breakfast because it is quick and easy, and I had actually forgotten to record me drinking it, so this is me just drinking the tail end of whatever was left. A couple hours later, I was a little bit hungry, so I decided to have these Oh Snap Hottie Bites. They are spicy pickle slices and they are 0 calories, so it's a great snack for number 1 on the go, but number 2 for people who are in a calorie deficit. I am really dumb, and when I was trying to show you guys these pickles, I spilled pickle juice all over my desk and all over my lap. This is me realizing I am a dumbass. Anyway, these pickles are super good. They're not too spicy. I think it was only $1 for this package, and I got them from Target. And I want to say they had regular pickle slices as well. So for lunch, I actually prepped it the night before. I seasoned 2 chicken breasts and put them in the oven at 375. You can use whatever seasoning that you want. I took one of the pieces of chicken and cut it into smaller pieces and then weighed out exactly 6 ounces. Normally I would eat 4 ounces, but since this meal is mostly veggies, I figured more protein was fine. Then I took some of these little heirloom tomatoes from Trader Joe's and I cut them in half and set them aside. Instead of using regular pasta, I decided to use zucchini spirals from Trader Joe's. I love these things. I took half of the box, which is 30 calories, and put it in a pan to thaw them out and to kind of get rid of most of the moisture. Then to the pot, I am adding my chicken And then after that, I am measuring out exactly 1/4 a cup of this creamy Alfredo sauce. It is a light version and it's only 40 calories for 1/4 of a cup. Then to the pan, I am adding the tomatoes and giving it all a good stir. I quickly realized that I like my meals a little bit more saucy than this, so I decided to add another 1/4 of a cup of the light Alfredo sauce. It only adds another 40 calories, so to me it is definitely worth it. Once you have that all mixed up, you can go ahead and serve yourself. This portion here that you're seeing was my dinner this night, but after I ate, I made myself another portion exactly like this for lunch and put it in my meal prep container. Totally optional, but I did add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese to the top of mine. This is the final product. It was so good and only 345 calories. You can't beat that. I've decided I am making taco soup for dinner, so I'm headed to the store right now to go and get the stuff to make that. I have a screenshot on my phone of everything I need to get. Some stuff I already have, which is great, but I know I need to get like black beans and corn and an onion because I'm out of that. Diced tomatoes with chilies in it. Like, I don't think I have that at home, so I'm gonna get that. This is a crock pot recipe that I will be filming, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm headed to the store right now to go get the ingredients. What is up? I am home really quickly on lunch and I'm gonna throw together my dinner in the crock pot that I have set up over there. I am making taco soup. It is a Weight Watcher recipe. No, I'm not on Weight Watchers, but my mom and I used to be like a long time ago, and I remember this recipe was so good. So that is what I am making. I will have a link to this recipe down in the description box below, but since this is what I'm gonna be having for dinner tonight, I figured I would film myself cooking it. Okay, so I'm reading the recipe here, and the ingredients that we are going to need, I already have out and ready to go. Let me show you now. So you need either ground beef or ground turkey, 1 pound, a medium onion. Mine, I'm pretty sure was a large, but oh well, because I love onion. You're gonna need some of this Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, some taco seasoning, chicken broth, tomato sauce, 2 cans of these diced tomatoes with green chilies, a can of black beans, and a can of corn. So the first step is just to saute the onions and then add in the ground turkey. I already have my crock pot on over here. I'm just going to line it with a crock pot liner. And then the last step is just dumping in the ground turkey and onion mixture. It says cook on high for 4 hours or low on 6, and since I'm on my lunch break and I want it to be ready for dinner, I am going to cook on high for 4 hours. So I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay, so that was super easy. I've made taco soup before, but this was probably the easiest version I have made. So I'm excited. I love taco soup. And you just get a couple like tortilla chips and crumble it on top with a little bit of fat-free sour cream and some cheese, and you are good to go for dinner. So that is going. I'm gonna leave the house now and have that be cooking so it's ready by the time I get home from my nail appointment. Just got my little nubby nails done. I just got natural short nails in light pink, and I'm obsessed. It's like, go for it, woman. Go ahead. You're welcome, sweetheart. Anyway, I am starving. I forgot to video like right when I left work on my way to get my nails done. I had half of a banana muffin. As you can see, I like the tops. Like, that's all I like. This whole muffin is 250 calories, so let's just say 125. I'm gonna log that. I'm not gonna be home for another hour. This is the snack that I prepped that I was supposed to eat earlier this morning at work, and I just got way too busy and I wasn't really that hungry, so I'm eating this right now. Y'all, these are bomb. So bomb. I think I told you already, I got it from Marshall's. It's called Skinny Rice Bar. This is the cranberry and almond one, and it's just like puffy rice, almost coated with like some sort of like honey on top, and there's cranberries and almonds in it. It's so good. The problem is it's 70 calories, which is good, but you almost like want to eat like 12 of them, so that's not good. If any of you guys have tried these, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think, because they are so good. I got these at Marshall's, in case I didn't tell you that. Like Marshall's, why? Any of you guys ever just like sick and tired of everybody? It's about where I'm at right now. You guys, I am looking crazy right now. I just got a spray tan because I'm not doing anything the rest of the night, so I figured, why not get a sprayer? Who cares if I look crazy? I'm just home alone anyway. Well, Cash is here. Hi, Bubba. Can you say hi? Those are not mine, I swear. Those are Carlos's. Anyway, I'm making myself dinner right now. I probably did like a serving and a half, I would say, of the soup. So I have my taco soup here, and then on top of it I put 1/4 of a cup of this medium cheddar shredded cheese, which is 110 calories. And then I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of this fat-free sour cream on top, and I'll probably have either half or a full serving of tortilla chips with this. I'm gonna do a full serving of these organic chia and quinoa chips to go with it, and I might even have just a little side of salsa since it's super low calorie. And they're pretty much the same calories as regular tortilla chips, but these are super good. So I'm gonna count those out now. You get, let's see, 10 chips or 28 grams. So I'm gonna count those out now and enjoy my dinner. Then your girl had a sweet tooth, so I made brownies. Shouldn't have done it, but I did. I'm not exactly sure how many calories this would be, but I just guessed 200, so that brings me for a total of just under 1,600 calories for the day. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.